Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, let's start off today. Today for you, we have a red wine turkey club. All right, to this bowl, as you can see here, I have 1/4 cup of olive oil, and to that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, then about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, then we want to have a good teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then we want to add some salt and pepper. Then grab a whisk and whisk this all together. And then I transferred it into one of my condiment bottles, empty condiment bottles. You can pick them up at Walmart for like $1 a piece. All right, let's start assembling the sandwich. As you can see here, I've got some sub rolls that I cut open. And I'm adding mayonnaise to one side of them. And then we're going to add a layer of salami, followed by our turkey. If I remember correctly, I believe this is peppered turkey. And then, of course, we're going to add some bacon. And then we want to lay down some Munster on one side. And lastly, we're going to add some Colby Jack cheese to that. And then pop that into a 450-degree oven for about, 10 minutes or so. Till the cheese is nice and melty, ooey gooey, and wonderful. Alrighty, we have our sandwich. It's out of the oven. We got a few things left to do. One, add a healthy amount of shreddis. And then spoon that red wine dressing we made over it. And that's it. A red wine turkey club. Done. Let's pop the top on here. And we're done. Of course, the damn bread had to break, but whatever. Anyway, this was absolutely delicious.